The topic of today's video is how to link Roblox accounts to Discord. So the first thing that we're going to do is jump into Discord. Now on Discord, you want to go to the bottom left and go to the settings cog, click on that. And then you want to be on the connections section. And then we're going to go to the right hand side and we're going to click on this arrow here. And then we're going to look for the Roblox icon, click on that. And that should open up your web browser and take you to Roblox. And if that is your profile, you can click continue. If not, just click change account. So that is my account, so I'll hit continue. And in this section, all you really need to do is to scroll to the bottom and click on continue. And then click on confirm and give access. And that should redirect you back to Discord. And there we go. We are connected. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.